Oh, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. Oh no, still good afternoon. What am I going to do? I thought we would just have a little play to see what happens when I do things to this locomotive. Now, some of you will know that this is a Hornby Dublo 3-rail 062 tank engine. It's based on a design that was used on the London North Eastern Railway and then British Rail, and it runs okay, but it could probably run better if we do things to it. Now let's see, we want one of those, I think, because on the front end, this is going to be interesting showing it to you. On the front end is a screw, and if we undo that screw, things start to happen. So we undo it, look at that, things start to happen. The coupling comes off, that's fine, we put that where we won't lose it. The body comes off. What we'll do is we'll put the screw where we won't lose that either. We'll put the body out of the way, and these are sort of chunky little things. The whole chassis is actually part of the motor. Within the motor is a magnet, and that will have a certain polarity, certain hilarity as well, but a certain polarity. And what we're going to do is we're going to try it with a compass. Now I don't know if I've got to move you. Right, okay. Can we all see? No, we can't all see that. I've got fat fingers, haven't I? So if I put that way round, that will be the right way round for popping it into the magnetiser. And being a very well organised sort of chap, I've just realised that I haven't plugged the magnetiser in. This is what happens when you... Down here somewhere is a plug. I live in England, that's a plug. Okay, 3 pins, earth, one of them is live and one of them isn't, and yeah, and a fuse. And what we'll do, we'll pop that in a plug hole, and now what we're going to do very, very carefully is we're going to oh no, before we do that, let's just see. Let's just do a very simple little test. See, it is magnetic, but it pulls off fairly easily. So now we'll pop it in there. We will push the pole pieces such that they're snug. Will they go snug? They will go snug. Now what we're going to do, this button here, we go zap, and then we go zap again, and now I can't get it out. Ha! Come out, that's it, right. And when we try the test again, I think we can all see that that is a lot more magnetic. And clever people will tell you all about Lorentz force and magnetic flux and things like that, but we'll stick with simple. It's more magnetic than it was. So there we are. Right, onwards and upwards.